What you are about to see started with an ambitious healthcare challenge. What if the capabilities of a hospital were no longer limited by location? What if healthcare infrastructure could be engineered to go where it was needed most? For IME, it started with a plan. Every department, every clinical space and every supporting system was individually designed, engineered and brought together around one integrated hospital concept. Radiology, laboratory, pharmacy, intensive care, theater, dental and specialized clinical environments, hospital capability, re-engineered for mobility. But these were never intended to operate as isolated units. Each formed part of a larger clinical workflow, connecting diagnostics, treatment, critical care and essential hospital services. A hospital needs more than medical equipment. It needs power, water, infrastructure, and the ability to keep operating. IME engineered the entire system for off-grid operation, integrating solar power, automated backup generators and advanced purification for gray, brown and red water. Kitchen, laundry, storage, clinical infrastructure, essential support systems, everything working together as one. Not simply a mobile hospital, a self-sustaining healthcare ecosystem, engineered for the real world. Designed, built, integrated, deployed. This isn't a concept. It has been built, deployed and put into operation in Zambia. And it is still operational today. Purpose-designed radiology brought diagnostic imaging directly into the hospital environment. Digital diagnostic technology supported faster, connected clinical decision-making where it mattered. Every interior was developed around its purpose, creating controlled clinical environments. And behind every drawing, every system and every finished unit was South African engineering, manufacturing and innovation. Every healthcare challenge is different. Every location has different needs. So, what should your mobile hospital look like? Bring us your requirements. We'll bring the engineering. IME, mobilizing innovation, delivering care.